Hi, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we're gonna do an Italian breakfast slice. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna show you some Italian bread. This is a ribbon sesame bread that I got at the deli. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna cut it from the middle like this, okay? And I'm gonna get you some nice, decent slices. Like that's a decent slice right there. I'm gonna do 2 of them, okay? Look at that. Oh boy. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and, well, I gotta cut it a little more, it looks like. Oh gosh. You know, those Italians are tough. Okay, now we're gonna go on over to the pan and we're gonna toast this. Come on. Here we go. Put them in here like this. I got the pan already buttered a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and let that toast. I buttered it on one side and I'm gonna flip it and you'll take a look at that in a second. For right now, what we're gonna do is, the next thing that goes on our slice is an avocado, right? So let's come on down, I'm gonna show you how I do this, okay? We're gonna go ahead and cut it. You go all around, this is that simple, look at that. And you got the pit in the middle. If you wanna get the pit out of there, you just go like this and you go like that. Look at that, isn't that neat? I love that. So anyway, that's what we do for that. And then I go ahead and I take my spoon, my tablespoon, and all I do is I go around the edges. Can you see that? I go all the way around, just like so. And then I scoop it from this end like this, right up. Go up and slow down, and I bonk, just like that. Okay, you see how I did that? Okay, this is all good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna slice it like this. Look at this. Look at those slices. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna place these slices first on the bread. Let me go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna do the second one. If you can see the first one, I did the same thing. I take it, I get my tablespoon, or you can use a regular teaspoon, I guess, but I choose to use a tablespoon because it's a bigger circumference there. And then I take it, I flip it, and there we go. Look at that. And then I just take it here, and we do the same thing. Slice the avocado. And this goes down on the bread first, okay? There we go. All toasted and ready to go. It's buttered on both sides. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that avocado that we just sliced and we're gonna put it down on the bread right now, okay? So we'll go here and we'll just do just like this. Look at that, look how gorgeous this looks. Man, look at that. Hey, I'm not a bad slicer, am I, huh? What do you think about that? Let's get the other one right here. And we'll go with this, like so. Put one on the end. Very nice. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks right there. And so next, what goes on there is some mozzarella. Now, what I did was I bought some fresh mozzarella right here. And you can get it at your deli. You can get it at the store, but I got mine at a deli. And then I sliced it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at it. And then that goes up on top of here, like so. Okay? And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half. And I'll put that here like this. I'll go like that. And then I guess, well, that goes on there pretty good, just like that. Then after that is our red roasted peppers. That's right. And this is called peperone rosso arrosto. That's right, in Italian. So that's going to go on next. Here we go. Now, it's all nicely sliced. And we're going to put it just like this. Just like this. Oh, look how gorgeous that looks, huh? We'll put it on this one too, like so. And we'll use this one right here. That's good. Now this one right here and this one right here are leftovers and they go right here. My God, those are great. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, the next thing that's gonna go on here is, well, we have some arugula, then we have some Castelvetrano olives. These Castelvetrano olives are from Sicily. And one half of my family, I'm full Sicilian, is from Castelvetrano. And I got to go there, and I'm gonna tell you something. These olives, if you get them, make sure you get them pitted, because they're gonna go on here, and they are the mildest olives around. So, okay. But first, what I'm gonna do is, I got my egg, my uovo. That's egg in Italian. We're gonna go ahead and fry it, and we're gonna fry it and leave it a little runny. So we put it on the sandwich or the slice, and you're gonna like this. So, you know, come on over with me. Okay, while the eggs are frying over there, I'm gonna go ahead and put some arugula down right now, and then we'll go back, okay? So what we do is I just lay it across like so. That way you can see it on the other side, huh? Isn't that great? Look at that. Some arugula. Don't you love that? Oh, this is good. Now, arugula, you know, if you're not really familiar with it, this arugula, I'm going to put another couple pieces here because I love that. I love this stuff right here. Arugula, let me just tell you something about arugula. This has a peppery mustard taste. I think you're going to like that. Let me go check on the eggs. Stay right here. All right, look at those eggs. They're done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put them right down on top. Look at this one, just like this, okay? Just like that. And then this one goes just like that. Look how beautiful that looks right there, doesn't it? Looks gorgeous, okay? So then what I do is I come over here like this and I turn it around like that. Are you ready? Ready for this? And then what I do is I do this, okay? Look at that, look at that. Look at that, I'll do this one this way, watch this. Look at that, you just sort of like that. Huh? What do you think? You like that? I'm going to give you a little presentation for you here. I think you're going to love this. This is the Italian slice for breakfast. Madonna. Now, our finishing touch, Castelvetrano Olivios olive. Here we go. Just put it on top like that. You like that? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. All right. Here you go. Look at that. Here's our Italian breakfast slice. That's right. You got some avocado. You got some red peppers, right? You got olives. We have mozzarella cheese. We got an egg. What could be better? What could be better? Stay with us. I got one more little shot for you. And then I'm going to take a bite. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was a good one. Guess what? I just cannot resist. I'm going to take a bite. Stay there. Let's see what happens here. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Here we go. Whoa! Maron! Salute! Thank you for joining us today. Remember to go subscribe at YouTube and ring that bell. Yeah, that one. Oh, and that one too. And that one too. Okay, enough. I'm Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Come on back. We love you.